Hey everybody, welcome to video number 38, how to sharpen your chisels the down and dirty way. The first thing you need to do is go get yourself a set of cheap chisels. Yes, I said cheap. You don't want to use a set of Japanese Yoshimura chisels to do this because it'll end up ruining them. Those I can see sharpening right, but these, what you're gonna do is get yourself a piece of scrap wood, cut a 30-degree angle about halfway down, so when you go against your sanding belt, you press this down, the piece of wood won't be in your belt's way. You're still gonna establish a 30-degree angle. Sanding belts should never be used with a good set of chisels, but I'm not talking about using a good set of chisels. Heck, I pay like $4 a piece for these. Now what I use for sharpening chisels is a small 1x30 Harbor Freight sander, and I used to use them for knife making 4 or 5 years ago. This here is about 800 grit belt, and what you're going to want to do is when you have a chisel like this that's been beat up, that the edges are kind of concave, you're going to want to start out with a rubber belt. This belt's about 80, and what you want to do is you want to have this block of wood that you cut at the 30-degree angle, hold it like this, and also have a cup of water for cooling your chisel. You want to cool it about every time you press it against your grinder. It's because if you don't, steel on the chisel will lose its temper and it will chip out as you use it. Doing that, we straighten the edge out. All you need is a substrate to hold the compound in place. The compound does all the work, and you can have different grades of compound. Black is all cut, no polish, so that's good for taking off burrs and your white cut and polish. Finally, for me, all I use is next is green. Green is just about all polish, and red, which I never use. Red is all polished, no cutting involved whatsoever. It's very hard wood. Matter of fact, it will go across the end grain. So my friends, that's how to get great results with cheap chisels. I can't see spending like an hour sharpening just a chisel on this kind of steel. Well, I know that in 10 minutes it's going to be kind of dull again. So until I get a good set of chisels, I guess I'll just keep doing it this down and dirty way. Until next time, support our troops and thank a veteran for his service. Later.